You often ask musicians what their perfect song is. First of all, it's an interesting question.
What is a perfect song?
Like, one surprised me is Hans Zimmer said, God Only Knows by the Beach Boys.
I was surprised by that too, but I thought it was like, yeah, okay, that's a perfect song for sure. The first interview I ever did was with Peter Frampton in 2018. And I asked him in that interview, what's a perfect song? And he said, Whiter Shade of Pale. And I was like, ooh, that's a great song. And then I thought, I'm going to ask that to people just to see what now people are prepared if I ask that.
But it's like they're willing to go out on a limb and say it.
Yeah.
Like, if you ask me, I don't even know. I guess you just say it, whatever, right? Like, what would I even say? What's a perfect song? Yeah, I would go, see, I feel the pressure.
Right?
Because the problem is, the reality is, it changes day by day, like minute by minute. I would probably, I'm sorry, but I would have to go Mark Knopfler. And I would probably go, is it really cheesy to say the obvious thing? I would go Sultans of Swing. Even though, like, I'm tempted to say Europa, but then, like,
Sultans of Swing hits on so many levels because
yeah,
it's got a great melody, great lyrics, and then multiple great guitar solos. And it has
yeah,
such a unique sound to it. The other thing is that it sounds very different from other Dire Straits songs. I mean, that's like early Dire Straits Strat tone. And then you think of like Money for Nothing is a Les Paul, and it's a totally different kind of vibe than him playing on Sultans of Swing. But that song's amazing.
Plus, it's about music.
Yes.
So it's like there's a meta aspect to it. But then there's also, like, we're talking about this guitar stuff, but Leonard Cohen, Hallelujah. I mean, Leonard Cohen in general, like these songwriters that go super simple on guitar.
Mm-hmm.
And it's just, what's that called? Singer-songwriter.